This is the Chevy Cruze, the first generation, and in both 1.4 and 1.8 liter engines you will find the air filter here in this box, and the only thing you'll need to do to get it out is to unscrew these bolts. They are just Phillips screwdriver bolts, easily unscrewed. It's a DIY job, and when you take this cap, the plastic lid up, you will have access to the filter and will easily replace it. So replacing this filter is important once every 45 to 50,000 miles. But if you drive in dusty areas, it's important to replace it more often. I would say 15-20k miles. It's a perfect interval. Given the filter is not expensive at all and you can replace it on your own, it makes sense to replace it more often than the manufacturer recommends. Actually, it's easy DIY job, so no need to pay for this, and I will post the part number for the filter so you can get it. But this is for American cars, and in European engines the system may be a little bit different. It's the same idea, but the system may be a little bit different, and the part numbers for the filters may be different, and it depends on the engines, because in European markets the Chevy Cruze, the first generation, had different engines.